Have you ever wondered why preserving historic architecture matters, particularly when it comes to sustainability? Each brick, each timber, they tell a story, a testament to our shared history. But beyond the narratives, these structures hold an untapped potential. They can be recycled, repurposed, given a new lease of life, reducing waste and significantly lowering our carbon footprint. It's a marriage of past and future, tradition and innovation. Preserving and repurposing old buildings isn't just about aesthetics or nostalgia, it's also about sustainability. But what is it really like to breathe new life into these historic structures, one might wonder? A symphony of perspectives reveals a complex yet rewarding journey. Architects often share tales of uncovering hidden gems during the restoration process, each element echoing a bygone era. They speak of the joy in blending the old with the new, creating spaces that are not just habitable, but also carry the uniqueness, charm, and character of the past. Homeowners, on the other hand, recount stories of living within walls steeped in history, their everyday lives enriched by the echoes of the past. Local residents share the pride of living amidst a harmonious blend of history and modernity. But the process isn't without its challenges. Structural issues, legal restrictions, and high maintenance costs can be daunting. Yet the resilience and creativity that goes into overcoming these hurdles are part of the allure. Despite the challenges, the rewards of repurposing can be immensely gratifying. Need some inspiration? Let's take a look at some excellent examples of repurposed architecture. In the heart of Tel Aviv, a once crumbling Ottoman-era building now stands as a beacon of sustainable living. Its original stone facade has been preserved, yet inside the space is adorned with modern amenities and energy-efficient features. Venture a little further, and you'll find a British Mandate period house in Jerusalem, reborn as a contemporary living space. Here, the historic charm is married with solar power and water recycling systems, a testament to the harmony of past and present. Then there's the transformation of an ancient khan in Akko into a vibrant community hub. Its centuries-old walls now house a bustling market, co-working spaces, and eco-friendly residences, all while retaining the essence of its rich past. These examples show that with creativity and dedication, the old can be made new again. So, how can you contribute to this movement? It's time to think creatively about the potential of the older architecture surrounding you. Advocate for the preservation of historic buildings. Volunteer in restoration projects. Dare to undertake your own repurposing endeavor. Every brick in these structures tells a story, and every story deserves to be heard. Remember, every historic building saved from demolition is a victory for sustainability. Join the movement and make a difference in your community.